Hi, welcome to answersQ. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates about free online courses and course answers. Hi buddy, welcome to this video. Eduonix is conducting a free online training on the topic of mean development, fundamental challenges and opportunities, and we'll be seeing all the details regarding this training in this video. Before we go into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do that first. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook. I have given all the link in description. Do check it out and connect with me on social media channels. And you can also join our Telegram channel to get instant updates regarding our videos. So let's get back to the content now. So this free live online training on mean development fundamentals, challenges and opportunities will be conducted by Eduonix on 27th December 2020. That is Sunday, 15 GMT. The time format is given in GMT, note that. So convert that to your local time zone and see at what time it's going to happen for you. And as you may know from the name mean, mean stands for MongoDB, Express, Angular and Node.js. So that is what you are going to learn in this live online training provided by Eduonix, mean stack development for building apps. Here they have given some highlights regarding this training. You will get some hands-on project and you will get some downloadable resources which can help you in the long term, and you will also get a live Q&A session in which you can directly interact with the instructor from the Eduonix, and you will also get the extended support in which all your queries will be addressed. So the instructor for this live training is going to be Aditya Dua, who's a senior software engineer and React expert, and he has worked with many Fortune 500 companies like NTT Data, Tech Mahindra, and a lot of things. They have given a brief description about the instructor here. You can just read the lines here. And as I said, this live training is going to be conducted on December 27, 2020. And here they have given an overview of the training. And if you see, the topics include app development introduction, introduction to mean stack development, and you have industry overview and career guidance. This is something that you should definitely get from someone like Aditya, who's expert in the industry. So do take the career guidance as well. So all these topics like app development, introduction to mean stack development industry, and career guidance will be covered in this free live training provided by the Eduonix team. And here they have given the activities like you will get in-depth session on mean stack development, career guidance, and you will get live Q&A, which we have seen earlier. And here they have given how to join this webinar. So I'll show you how to join this webinar. And the local time is given for me. It is 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. for me. I'm in India. So in India, it's going to be 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. on 27 December 2020. And before we enroll in the webinar, I mean the training, we'll see some FAQs. We all have some questions, right? So let's see it. So how can I access the webinar? So this is something you should see. Once you register, you will get 3 mails from them. You will get your first mail from the Eduonix 48 hours before the webinar starts, and you will get your second mail 24 hours before the training, and the third and final mail will be sent to you 2 hours prior to the webinar's starting time. So notice the timing, and you will be getting a lot of useful things from this live training, because it's always important from whom you learn. So learning from industry experts, it's always a good thing to do. And here they have given other questions like how does Q&A will work, and all other questions are given here. You just look into it. So now let me show you how to register for this live training on mean development fundamentals. So first step is to log into our Eduonix account. So you can see here 2 buttons, login and free sign up. So if you already have a Eduonix account, you can click on login and give your details and log into your account. If you are coming here for the first time, that is if you don't have a Eduonix account already, click on free sign up and create your Eduonix account and then come back. So let me log into my account first and then catch up after that. Now I have logged into my account. You can see here hi answersQ. So that means I have logged into my account, and if you scroll down, you can see here enroll now button. Here you can see join this webinar. Under it you can see enroll now button. Click on it and you will see acknowledgement notice like this. Just click on my dashboard here. So that's it. Now we have enrolled in this live training on mean development fundamentals by Eduonix. So here they have given the Zoom link and the meeting ID. So this training is going to be conducted on Zoom. Here they have given the link itself. So you can use this link to join the training program on 27 December 2020, and in India it's going to be 8:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. on 27th December 2020. So if you are interested in taking this training, do leave a comment, let me know, and make use of this. Learn mean development fundamentals, challenges and opportunities from the industry expert Aditya Dua. So I hope you find this video useful. To get more updates about free online courses, course answers and internships, subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon. And you can also connect with me on social media platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.
Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you need anything, and share this video with your friends. And thank you so much for watching this video.